starting. Wait a second. Is John back?
Hey guys, John here, and I'm back. Yeah, I'm back from vacation. If you're wondering where I was this whole time, I was in Cuba. I was in Cuba. Yeah, I was in Cuba, and I was visiting my sister, which I've never met before. And I just got back today. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know if you know, but I just took a shower. That's no. Dog. But no more fooling around, people. No more fooling around. Dog. But yeah, and I'm back. Oh, by the way, guys, I now have ideas of what to do. I can't tell you them all, but I can tell you two of them. Not two of them. Which one of the ideas, which is of a new series that I'm gonna do, which is of building different things. And I have already two things that I'm gonna build. One is from Scooby-Doo Zombie Island that has a giant mansion. I'm gonna build that in Minecraft. Also I'm gonna build the set from Master Chef. Dog. And also here's another thing I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start doing Terraria videos. So yeah. This video is just just so you guys can know that I'm back. Yeah. After this video I'm gonna make a video right after this. After I finish watching my videos. I'm gonna watch videos. Dog. Be right back. So guys, that's it for me. If you're new to the channel, you subscribe. If you wanna see if you leave a like, that would really help. That'll show that you guys appreciate the trouble that I go through for you to make these videos. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and until next time, peace.